2014 question 4. Okay, so there's A, B, and C triangle, right? Okay, find the length of A to B, right? Okay, when it's a straight line, you can just count the units, but we'll pretend we're just going to use the distance formula: x1, y2, 1, x2, y2, fill in. So it's x2 minus x1 minus 9 2b squared plus y2, which is 3 minus 3, all to be squared, into the calculator with that, and that would be 5. Okay, and next one, find the area of the triangle ABC. Again, we could go half the base by the perpendicular height, but I think we'll just use the formula. Oh, where am I gone? So we'll just use the formula. Okay, so minus 9, 3. So remember, one of the points must be 0, 0. So I'll put the top one to 0, 0. Right, so the x went from -9 to 0, so I added on 9. Add on 9 here, you get 5. Add on 9 here, you get 5. Here, 3 goes to 0, minus 3, so minus 3 here, you get 0. And minus 3 here, you get 7. Okay, so then we call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's a half times 5 multiplied by 7 minus x2 is 5 multiplied by 0 into the calculator that, and you'll get 17.5. Okay. Right. Okay. The next one is x is 2 minus 4 and y is 2, 1. So 2 minus 4 and 2, 1. 2 minus 4 and 2, 1 is here. Now we want to make a triangle so it's congruent. So that means it's exactly the same. So what you want to do is, if you connect that to that, that line there is the same length as that line there. Okay, so now you want to make a right angle here and you want to make it the same length as that line there. So if you just look, that's a 3 and it goes up as far as 10. So the length of that line there is 7. We know this one is 5 because we measured it already, right? So you want to go 7 units this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think if we went at -5, it would be 7 units, and there's my right angle. Okay, and then to make it, you just join it up. Okay, so that's your congruent triangle there. Looks a bit off. Have I? No, that's it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So write down the coordinates of z. So I'm calling this. This was x, y, and I figured out z is over here at -5, 1. Okay. So z is at -5, 1. Right, explain why it's congruent. Okay, so we have one triangle here, okay, which was, I think, just labeling ABC, ABC, and I know this is a right angle, and I know that measures 5 and that measures 7, and the other triangle was over this way, and it was X, Y, Z, and I know this measures 5 and this measures 7. Okay, so how do I know they're congruent? Because I know that the length of XY is equal to the length of AB. They're both 5. I know that the length of BC is equal to the length of YZ. Sorry, length of YZ. They're both 7. And I know that angle ABC is equal to angle XYZ. Y, they're both 90. So by, that's two sides in an angle. So SAS. So they're congruent. Why isn't this working? So they are congruent. Right, you'd write down they're congruent and SAS, okay? And they're congruent. Okay, right, and that's the end of that one.